Hello, I'm Neky Special. I produce Tombrown with 11 super rich ingredients for 6 months plus babies and breastfeeding mothers that want to increase the production and nutrition of their breast milk. So I'm making this video for nursing mothers who have stopped exclusive breastfeeding and they want to introduce solid food to their baby, or you are about stopping your exclusive breastfeeding period, you're thinking on which food to give your child. This video is for you. Okay, I started producing Tombrown after I've seen amazing result of what Tombrown did to my son. My son is 2 years now and he has fed on Tombrown for over 1 year. So after 6 months of giving him Tombrown, I was so amazed by the result I saw. So I started producing Tombrown. So Tombrown is like my own gift to you. Tombrown is a food that is easy to preserve. It is quick to prepare. Within 3 to 5 minutes, you're done preparing Tombrown. Tombrown is naturally and highly fortified for the healthy weight gain and development of your baby. Tombrown is a food that you can give your child after he has been sick. He's just recovering from sickness and you want him to gain weight fast. This food will help you achieve that. Tombrown is very affordable. And Tombrown is not 3,500. Tombrown is not 3,000. Tombrown is not even 2,000. Tombrown is not 1,500. A pack of Tombrown is 1,200 naira. Another amazing thing about Tombrown is that Tombrown can keep your baby full for a long time. Then I feed my baby just 3, highest 4 times. People were always amazed. I see mothers that feed their babies 5, 6, 7 times, depending on the food. But Tombrown, 3 to 4 times, your baby is full, active throughout the day. So if you're thinking on how to get Tombrown, don't worry, we had thought of that. And so we had to reach out to people, and people love what we're doing and how we are doing it, and they've partnered with us. We have distributors across Nigeria, 15 distributors in all as at now. So if you want to get your Tombrown, you can reach out to them from your location. We have 2 distributors in Lagos, Mrs. Mercy Emmanuel and Mrs. Chioma Queen. We have 3 distributors in Port Harcourt, Mrs. Aquino Diaso, Mrs. Justina Benibo and Mrs. Oge Josie. We have 2 distributors in Uyo, Mrs. Mrs. Akwanwana Iboro and Mrs. Edidara Thomas. We have 2 distributors in Asaba, Mrs. Faith Ekure and Mrs. Lydia Anumba. We have 1 distributor in Calabar, Mrs. Gladys Ike. We have 3 distributors in Umuahia, Mrs. Gift Duru, Mrs. Ohaeri and Mrs. Choma Chris. Okay. If you are in Onitsha, we have 2 distributors, Mrs. Pretty Ethel and Mrs. Princess Chris Okafor. Yes. So call these people now and get your Tombrown from your location, wherever your location is. And if you would like to join this formidable team of nursing mothers who are helping other nursing mothers to gain seamless access to Tombrown, you can become our partner today with just 110,000 naira and unlock the full benefits of being a Tombrown partner with 110,000. So you're going to see a description to this video that will show you how to connect to me on WhatsApp. So click on the link, can connect to me on WhatsApp so we get to talk. If you want to be a distributor or you want to get Tombrown for your baby from your location, do that now and I will see you on my WhatsApp.